Hello everyone, I am Prashant and I welcome you to Growing Together channel. Let us start. In this video, we will know about coordinate system and quadrants. Coordinate system. At this time, what we are seeing on the screen is called coordinate system. It is having two axes. One is x-axis and the other one is y-axis. These axes are perpendicular to each other. It means it makes an angle of 90 degree with each other. We can see the angle of 90 degree like this. This system is called Cartesian coordinate system and it also called as 2D coordinate system. It is having two axes which represents dimensions in two directions. As we are seeing on the screen, at one side there is positive values from origin and at other side there is negative values. These values ranges from minus infinite to plus infinite. Coordinate system defining a point. We can define any point on this coordinate system. To defining a point, there is a format like this: P in bracket x comma y. It means the first value in bracket belongs to x and the second value belongs to y. Now here we will try to understand this point with the help of an example. Here I took value of p in bracket 4, 3. It means the value of x is 4, that is x is equal to 4, and 3 is the value of y, that is y is equal to 3. Now we will plot it on coordinate system. On this coordinate system, there is positive values in x direction and in y direction. We will move 4 points in x direction and from there we will draw a line parallel to y-axis. Similarly, from origin we will move 3 points in y direction and from there we will draw a line parallel to x-axis. The intersection of these two lines will be the location of our point P, which we have mentioned by 4, 3. Similarly, there is another point R which you can see here. Here, the value of x and y for any point can be negative or positive, like we are seeing here. Here it is negative value and here it is positive. And there may be a combination of positive and negative values which will come in these quadrants. Till now we have seen 2D coordinate system. Here we will understand 3D coordinate system, that means 3-dimensional coordinate system. Here at left hand side you are seeing an image in which x-axis and y-axis are clearly visible. There is another axis, that is z-axis or z-axis, which is looking like a point. The intersection point of these three axes is called origin point, and these axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. That means these axes makes an angle of 90 degree with each other. Here there is 90 degree angle between the axes. Now, looking at right hand side view, we will again understand it more clearly. At right hand side view, we are seeing all three axes: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. First we take x-axis and y-axis. The angle which I am making here is 90 degree angle. which is created between x-axis and y-axis. Similarly, we see for y-axis and z-axis, which makes 90-degree angle with each other. In the same way, when we talk about x-axis and z-axis, we see there is 90-degree angle between x-axis and z-axis. That means all three axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now, at below the view we are seeing here, in this view, we are also seeing planes along with the axis. Let us understand it. Here, the planes are created by passing through two axes. When a plane is created passing through x-axis and y-axis, it is called xy plane. Similarly, when a plane is created passing through y-axis and z-axis or z-axis, it is called yz plane. Similarly, when a plane will be created passing through z-axis and x-axis, we will call it xz plane. These three planes are mutually perpendicular to each other. So, by this we have seen that in any 3D coordinate system, there are three axes and having three planes passing through the axis. Till now, we have talked about 2D coordinate system and 3D coordinate system. Now, let's move further. Quadrants. Now, we will understand the quadrants. As we know, x-axis and y-axis are mutually perpendicular and they define four quadrants like this. These quadrants are called first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrants. Now, here at right hand side, we are seeing an image. In this, there are two planes passing through x-axis and y-axis. The plane passing through x-axis is named as HP, that is horizontal plane, and the plane passing through y-axis is named as VP, that means vertical plane. The viewers who are related to engineering drawing, this information is useful for them. So, by this way, in this video, we have learned about 2D coordinate system, 3D coordinate system, and quadrants. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Growing Together channel. Thank you.